Alright, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about moving your money. You've got your paycheck hitting your account, you've got bills to pay, and maybe you've got some extra cash you want to transfer to another account. And when it comes to moving money, speed is often king. Enter wire transfers, fast, direct, and typically used for large sums. But here's the burning question, can you actually wire money with Sofi? Now, Sofi has been making waves in the financial world. They've got checking accounts, savings accounts, investing, and even loans. It's a one-stop shop for many people. But does this convenience extend to wire transfers? That's what we're diving into today. So, let's break it down. There are two main ways to look at this, sending money via wire transfer and receiving money via wire transfer. Let's start with sending. If you're thinking about initiating a wire transfer from your Sofi account to someone else, well, hold your horses. As of now, Sofi does not offer outgoing wire transfers for general use. There are some exceptions, like for home purchases, but those are handled on a case-by-case basis. So, if you're planning a big international money move or need to send a large sum quickly, you might want to consider another financial institution for sending that wire. But what about receiving money? Can someone wire money to your Sofi account? The answer is a bit more flexible. Sofi does allow incoming domestic wire transfers. This means someone in the US can send money to your Sofi account. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, there might be fees associated with the incoming wire, so check with the sender to see if they'll cover those costs. Second, it might take a business day or two for the funds to show up in your account. So, if you're expecting a quick payday from a wire transfer, don't hold your breath. Now, let's talk about why this might matter to you. If you're someone who frequently deals with large sums of money or needs to move money quickly, the lack of outgoing wire transfers could be a deal breaker. On the other hand, if you're more focused on receiving money, Sofi could be a viable option. So, to recap, Sofi currently doesn't offer outgoing wire transfers for general use, but you can receive domestic wire transfers. It's a situation that might change in the future, so it's worth keeping an eye on Sofi's updates. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.